안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hello everyone. I'm 흔한 오빠 who are gonna teach you Korean super easy. This is the video about Korean text abbreviation the most Korean is using in SNS. We are going to learn from the word in order of popularity. Let's start from is basically for laughing. You know, it is quite similar with LOL in English, but in Korea, people just write at the end of the sentence many times for no reason. Finish the sentence without it seems like awkward. It is like formal conversation not having it. Sounds too unfriendly. You can just write down as much as you can, even if it's not funny. Even if it's not funny at all. I just go to school today. And you but never say that to your boss or professor. It would be more awkward. So how are you gonna say I'm sorry in Korean? It is 죄송합니다. 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 which is on the chat. We're never gonna say in the real life but we just typed for saying I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So is J in English and S is S in English. Hey, sorry, I'm late. Hey, let's go to party tonight. And you say, I got work to do. When you refuse to do something that your friend asks, you can also use the next is which is D in English. It is like You don't really use this when you actually cold. 춥다, cold, 춥다. You are using this emotionally scared, nervous, and afraid of something, you know, in those kind of situations. For example, you can say to your friend like, you know, my girlfriend, she became aware that I was lying. Yeah, I was in the club last night. Just imagine this situation. And one more tip for you. If you put which is H in English, it would be It is more powerful. The next or it is same, and you can use this when you say yes. Have you had dinner?
밥 먹었어? Did you have a meal?
Do you want to go with my video? Learning Korean super easy. We only use consonant. We are not using vowel as a text slang. Only except for you, which is you are emotionally sad. You can use you because it's like you it's like tears is coming from your eyes. Hi. When you say hi, which is 하,이,흐,으,흐, which is H in English, you can just type 흐,으. 안녕하세요. 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 Hi, hello. To say hi, it is super easy, right? Next is 그, which is go. 그 is G in English. 그 comes from the word go. For example, you to say 밥 먹자, and your friends say 그. Comment below anything you want to know, anything you want to learn. So I'm gonna try to make a video for it. If you'd like to learn Korean super easy, please subscribe and follow me. Thank you. See you next time. Are you gonna with me? 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 브, 스, 으, 즈, 츠, 크, 트, 프, 흐. This is Korean consonant.